How's it going, everyone? My name is Freddy Pie, and today I just watched this video of these two YouTubers that just hit like 100 million subscribers on their YouTube channel, but that doesn't make any sense. How did they do that? Let me see if I can find it. Found it.
5 more subscribers until 100 mil.
3, 2, 1. Come on, come on, come on. See this? How did this happen? See that? See who that is? That's Mr. Beast. They just met Mr. Beast except me? That's not fair. I can't believe it. Why did they met Mr. Beast except me? I want to meet Mr. Beast. This isn't cool. No. I want to get to 100 million subscribers and meet Mr. Beast. Guys, if you're watching this, keep on subscribing to my YouTube channel so I could get to 100 million subscribers and get that YouTube play button. I am not going to give up. I am not going to stop making videos, and I'm not going to rest or give up so that I could get that 100 million subscriber red diamond YouTube play button. So all you have to do is subscribe, be part of my memberships, and do not give up. All you have to do is subscribe. Keep on subscribing to me. Give me that red diamond YouTube play button and be part of my subscribers. Don't give up. Keep on subscribing and do not give up. If you subscribe, Mr. Beast will give you that red diamond YouTube play button and he will subscribe to you. Bye.